I don't almost die for desert. I don't say I don't die for desert.
So wait, now from which part of Nigeria you come up from?
I come up from Benin.
From Benin. So now from Benin, now road you take use go Libya.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I die. I don't say I die completely. Now God, now He saved me. Now He make me still there alive till today. I stayed there for 14 days without water, without food.
14 days without water, without food.
Without food. Water finish, everything finish. Now there I know say for desert, not in the rotten for desert. Guys, begin to beg them, say man, make the peace for us. They go say never reach where they want take peace. One girl peace, she did on mercy, she peace. I drink am, I have to remove the blood. Because why? That was the only source I can live. Yes, if you not treat, you will die. You could just die through away. As I did, yes, so small people go slap me. I go there and say thank you for Libya. You crazy. When you want to slap my back, who you be? When we say everywhere for the streets of Libya are gone, all of them get gone. Their dog get gone. Tosha now. For Europe, where are they? At least you feel still get mad. This one, if you too talk too much, they go beat you. You see, the truth we say, we must understand something.
Okay.
Nigeria is a blessed country.
Okay.
But the system has been damaged. And we really need a Messiah to put this in place back to normal.
Okay.
Do you know that even people in this country, when they ask you where are you from Nigeria, what are you doing here? That's the first question they will ask. Your country is a rich country. What are you doing here? That is the first question they will ask. See, the thing is that if Nigeria is good, nobody will want to leave Nigeria. By the grace of God, I've been in this country for 15 years.
You've been in Libya for 15 years?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
And you know the problem that we Nigerians have, most especially our youth.
Okay.
Most especially our youth. We want to get things done in a platter of gold. We don't want to sweat for it. Let us tell ourselves the truth.
Okay.
See, the job I'm doing here now, I'm a painter.
Okay.
I'm a house painter. The job I'm doing here, I never planned I would do it. Okay. Let me break it down.
Okay.
Let me go to preaching English. I not plan say I will do painting. But when I get here, I got to understand, say my certificate, my document not going to take me anywhere. I attended Auchi Polytechnic, studied estate management. But when I come here, I got to learn painting for 1 year.
For 1 year?
Yes. And within that period, I suffer, not be small suffer. I don't almost die for desert. I don't die for desert.
So wait, now from which part of Nigeria you come up from?
I come up from Benin.
From Benin. So now from Benin, now road you take use go Libya.
Yes.
Okay.
I die. I don't say I die completely. Now God, now He saved me. Now He make me still there alive till today. I stayed there for 14 days without water, without food.
14 days without water, without food.
Without food. Water finish, everything finish. Now there I know say for desert, not in the rotten for desert. If you go there, you go see some bones. When we say they know the rotten, they still fresh for there. Now God now help me. I drink my peace finish.
You drink peace.
Yes. I drink peace.
Let us, before you continue, Percy they talk for this comment, say 2 of them have been day class together. He say Ebano of estate management.
Ebano.
If Rex Funk, he said you not two be classmates.
Ebano. I'm sorry, you are very.
Ebano of estate management. But he don't see you. Continue, I beg. You say you drink your piece finish.
My piece finished. I begin to, because there's something we must understand in the desert.
Okay.
Boys can stay for 7 days, 10 days, 12 days without water. But girls can stay 21, even 30 days without water. You know why? When your water don't finish, when boys' water don't finish, the girls' water will start by them because their breasts, you know, see their breasts, they get water for them. So that breast now, they use today. You understand? They operate for their system. Guys, begin to beg them, say, man, make the peace for us. They go say, never reach where they want a peace. One girl peace, she don't message, she peace. I drink them, I have to remove the blood. Because why? That was the only source I can live. Yes, if you not do it, you will die. You could just die through it. You go die through it. But you see, I thank God, say, man, at the end, I came out alive. But I wish I passed that 14 days after die. I thank God that I came out alive. You understand me? But the truth is that it's not because I wish to travel. It was because I was looking for a greener pasture. Like, let me see what outside have for me. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
I get you.
The thing not funny. The road not funny. It's not funny at all. When people they come, but the truth is that even when we come out from that desert, I get to understand something.
Okay.
Say, man, this life is not easy. It's easy for some people, but it's not easy for some people. Now, I can understand. So even when the Bible said the kingdom of God suffered violence, it is only the violent one that take it by force. My bros, it's not easy. I think you understand me So, let me come back to your topic. The aspect of, say, if one travel, one will make it. It depends on you, your own person. What do you want to do? What do you have to do? When I left my painting job, now I want Ghana, now teach me painting job. I went through a lot. I went through a lot from him. But I thank God today. The only way God opened my way now when they started war, revolution in this country. I'm a Christian. A Christian does not paint mosques, irrespective of who you are. You know, if they ask you, say you be Christian, you not go paint, you not go touch their mosques. But when the war started, God opened way for me. I painted 3 mosques. And you know these people, if they want to build their mosques, not be small mosques, now big mosques.
Yes. During the revolution, Abi.
Yes, during it was people they run, Nigerians they run go house because then they go throw bomb anywhere where it meets. Now you know if you did there, now you know you don't person to die through it. But I made up my mind, I'm not going anywhere. So everything where you do, where you want to decide, if you want to decide what you want to do, because everything you pass through, you're not passing through it because of your selfish self. You're passing because why your children they come. There are some bondage. There are some bondage you need to break as a person. Not let somebody come to talk some kind of thing into your head. By the grace of God, I've been able to take my younger ones to Europe. My cousins, they are in Europe. By the grace of God, I'm not trying to brag, but you see, sometimes you have to take some drastic action. See that guy will say, he come out for Nigeria, go France. If to say that guy not come out for Nigeria, maybe by now at least the guy is doing well right now. See, anything where you pass through for life, you have to take a bold decision. Not let somebody come and tell you, man, this one, people are dying, yes. The fact that people did it, they didn't succeed, doesn't mean that if you do it, you will not succeed. No, I'll not be bug out. I'll not be bug out. At the walk, I'll not be bug out. That's not the walk.
Leave that one. Leave Inamia you they talk. Leave
you understand?
Inamia you they talk.
If I be bug, I'm not going to do painting job. Painting, you're not going to see bug and make it work. Wallah. They are all in their house now. They do their house now, so they talk to you. Do you understand? So what am I trying to say? That there are some bondage you have to break in life. Because if you not break, nobody will help you break them.
That's true.
Nobody will help you break them. I don't know that you understand me, so bro. So, but what if they tell statement? Not let anybody come and deceive you, say, man, this one is. See, bros, as I come up for that side, when they catch us, because now we come ourselves, they look for police. Make the rescue us. Make the rescue us, bros.
Okay.
Miss Peggy. Good evening, Peggy. Make the rescue us. They rescued us. And they deported, then Gaddafi was alive. They deported me back to Nigeria. You know what? They deported us November. Yeah, they deported us to Nigeria in November. When I check them, I say, man, where am I going to start all over again, man? What is this? I took another bold decision because I don't enter Libya. That's my first journey. I don't enter Libya. Now I wrote them for cash house.
Wait, bros, wait. Make I hear what you talk. So after that first journey, you don't even enter Libya. As they catch everybody, they go back.
They catch us, carry us to Sabah. We were in the prison for 3 months. They deported us back to Nigeria. I said, man, this country where I not enter so. Where I not enter so until they where I won't collect. I took another journey again February.
Okay.
Now they enter Libya.
So that means that 2 times you tried to enter Libya, and at the second time you can't walk.
Yes.
More.
I entered Libya. See, where did they talk say the Europe, all those people in Europe say racist. When I never see racist, if you want to see racist, come to Libya. You go ahead. As I did here, so small people go slap me. I go there and say thank you for Libya. You crazy. When you want to slap my back, who you be? When we say everywhere for the street of Libya are gone, all of them get gone. Their dog get gone. Tosha now. For Europe going a day, at least you feel still get mad. This one, if you too talk too much, they go beat you. And all these people that have been beat person. You go see somebody don't they use gun, don't they use it to choke you for your head or for your spinal cord everywhere. So what if they try to talk with man? There are some bold steps you need to take as a human being. If you don't try, if you not try, man, you go just die like that. Like say, man, you know, if you get any acting, you know, you need to take some kind of bold step. And the problem when we get, we Nigerians, most especially we Nigerians, our boys, I'm sorry to say this, I'm not trying to say I'm the best. Most of us don't want work. Most of us don't want work. They want to find boy. See all those things, whether they deport some people or all those kind of things. You know, you yourself, you know now, our Nigerians, we are too loud. We are too loud. I don't know that you understand. We are too loud. If we want to do something, we know they do something on code. We do it openly so that people will not say, man, now we did it. Now we did it. See, mind you, there are so many countries in this country. Libyans, they're not plenty. They are just 6 million people. But the foreigners who they are plenty past them. But why is it now only Nigerians in the year? Our matter now.
So we got change that aspect.
We got change that attitude. We got change that attitude. Like me now, I don't get friends for here. As I come up from here, now I go house, from house to work, work to house, work to house. I'm not able to go church. Did you hear me so, bros?
I hear you.
I don't go church. I don't get friends. I only my family. I think you understand me so, bro. We got to change that attitude of saying, man. See, bros, when you talk about designers, the Nigerians sign the blend and pass for you. They want to wear the best clothes. Yes. Nigerians, they want to wear the best clothes. They want to wear the best shoes. And these people, they vest. They vest for you. Foreign people in that country, not fear not to let them buy some kind of clothes. Maybe say we they buy Nigerians for you. People will get country. We get country. You will be Nigerian. You get some of our Nigerians for here, they get 3 cars. Somebody, I know somebody will see in rentage, if you convert a month, now 500,000 naira. Now Now 500,000 naira they pay every month. You get 3 cars. So many things they okay, you imagine they pay 500,000 naira for one house. Where be the best way to get country. No even fee sometimes say we no even fee afford in a month, no even fee afford 100,000 naira. Why not go best for you?
Bros, this is why we don't talk will be smart, you know. Everybody just they happy with what they talk. You understand?
No.
And you as you did there now they work. I just they pray say God go do it for you.
Bros, now sense person they use. Like as I did now, I don't know. See, English way to say if you're a Rome, you behave as a Roman. Bros, anywhere you do, you got to understand the situation, you got to understand the people properly. Maybe say you go now to the follow them. I get to understand these people say, man, okay, they be like this, they be like this. Bros, I know them my country. If I want fight, I go my country go fight. I don't come out the way from my country to fight for your say. You know how many people will be say they prison? Unto say because they say they're not the fear, they're not the bros. When I leave me, I be woman. I not fit fight. I go fight. Bros, you know how many people don't die? Nigerians will be say last 3 months somebody died for year. He died for a what happened? He give the man money, the Libyan man money, say make help and find house. The Libyan man carry the money run. He go see the Libyan man for another pay, he hold am. Say, we make get money today. Now the pikin enter house, go carry na to camp. Before the car reach hospital, he die. Unto say he form strong man. You got to understand the situation of people where we say may you day around. Thank you very much for having me. I really appreciate it.
No Allah.